What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of my favorite products that I've been loving for the entire month of February. I have fitness favorites, I have lifestyle beauty favorites, and some apartment favorites. Let's get into it. What do we want to start with? Let's start with beauty. Item number 1, Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. I got this probably last year, but I just started using it a lot more. And basically this makes your skin look airbrushed. The shade is a little light for me right now. I still use it to lighten up, like, you know, the middle, whatever you would highlight, that's what I use it for. It's literally just airbrushes your skin. On the days where I have to run out of the house and I still want to put a little coverage on, I just put this on. Before we get any further, I'm gonna link everything in the description. So next up, living in Florida, you need to protect your face from the sun. I've noticed when I don't use sunscreen, my dark spots come out even more. Yes, this is 85 plus, but you will still get some color with it. And what I like most about this is that it does not break me out. If it don't break me out, I want it. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. Next product is a scent that if you've ever been around me, I probably smell like. So this is the Victoria's Secret Shimmer Bare Vanilla Lotion. So basically, it's a lotion that has a little bit of shimmer in it. I like putting this on, especially if I'm going out at nighttime, because it really gives your skin that glow. The scent smells amazing. It just smells like a clean, classic vanilla smell. It's not like my daily lotion. My daily lotion has no shimmer in it. Another glowy product, we have the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. I don't use this as an SPF. I use this if I want my skin to glow on top of the lotion. I don't want to spray anything, but this is the before. And that's the after. You see that glow? This right here. My makeup artist put me onto this. SPF 30. I don't think it matters that I sprayed that, it smells. I don't think it matters on the SPF. You need this in your life. Next up, we have some hair products. I don't know if you noticed my sleek bun today. I use these 3 products. They're amazing. This is the Edge Booster. I got this right off of Amazon. I actually saw Carly Bible talk about it. It literally sleeks your hair down and it does not move. First, I like to use a brush like this. I think I got this from the dollar store. And you just sleek all of your hairs down. And then I'll apply some of this. It's not pink, by the way, it's just like clear. I just use a little bit. I rub it between my hands. Apply. To get my sideburns. That's good right there, but I like to be extra and really sleek it down. So I specifically like this for the brush. This is actually a brow gel. I use this for my baby hairs. The key to like really getting your hair slicked down and not moving is a brush like this or like a toothbrush. Okay, so next up, this is the Whey hair supplement for thin hair. By the way, you guys like my nails? I just got them done. There we go. All right, well, it's not focusing. This is a hair supplement for thinning hair. I think I have like thin to medium hair, but I love thick hair. And I had a friend recommend this to me. We went to Sephora the other day and she's like, oh my gosh, I need to go pick up my vitamins. I'm like, vitamins at Sephora? What vitamins are you talking about? And she said, these vitamins. So she said she's tried everything and this is the only thing that helps her hair get thicker. So I decided to give it a try. This is what the pills look like. I take it once a day. So this I just started taking, so it's technically not a February favorite. If you guys like want an update, maybe I'll create a separate video and give you guys an update in a month or 2 and let you know if I think that these vitamins actually worked. If you want that video, drop a comment below and let me know. I'm still new to this, so let me know if you guys want me to speak more about stuff or talk less. Let me know. Okay. Next up, we have lifestyle / apartment favorites. So first, household item. This is the Palo Santo candle from White Barn, which is really Bath and Body Works. Smell. This reminds me of my grandpa and growing up in the Bronx. This is what it would smell like. With warm amber, soft musk cream with essential oils. Okay. Next item is this cute cup. So you would not believe where this cup is from. Ikea. I think it was only like $2 for like this little cup, and I just love it. So okay, I wasn't kidding when I said I had a favorite bowl. This is from Target. This is like the most perfect cereal slash oatmeal bowl ever. It's just the perfect shape. And it's not really white, it's kind of like an off-white. It's from Target. Price, I think it was like a $4 per bowl. Next item is my electric lighter. So this charges through USB. I'm gonna show you, turn it on, and it lights your candle. The reason why I was looking for something like this is because the regular lighter, when you try to light your candles with, it'll like burn my finger or like, you know? So I was looking for a longer one, and this is awesome because it bends. Got this from Amazon. I'll link it below. Next up, we have my HomePod Mini. So this is an Apple product, and I think it's on the newer side, but this thing is clutch. Like, you just plug it in the wall. It's super small. You ask it to play music. You can ask it for the weather. Ask it to set an alarm on your phone. Hey Siri, how long do I cook salmon for? Literally tell me, or it'll say, I'll send it to your iPhone. Like, so cool. And a lot of people use this for a stereo, like surround system. So you can just buy a couple of them, place them around your house, and connect it with your TV. This thing gets loud. So last category is fitness favorites of February. Fitness favorites of February. This really isn't fitness, but I use this for all my fitness videos that I film on my iPhone, is my tripod. I found this through TikTok. It's a game changer. So it goes really high. You pull it, bam. It's literally the perfect height. And you can get portrait or landscape, and you just, bam. And that's it. And it comes with a remote, so you can take it off. You can do a self-timer for selfies. You can use this for a whole lot of stuff. So next fitness item is my jump rope. And it's not just any jump rope. It's a weighted jump rope. Crossrope. Basically, it's different weights, so you can like attach it and detach it. And then this is the half pound. I probably shouldn't be doing this in the house, but I live by myself and my mom can't yell at me anymore. But basically, this jump rope is amazing. And they also have an app that has different like workouts on it. So this is the app, and you can scroll, and they have all different workouts. So look, jump rope beginner challenge. Click the first one, you click it, 30 seconds, rest 30 seconds.
Ready.
And it times it for you.
Basic jump.
The camera just died. For some reason, it likes to overheat randomly. I only have 2 more things left that I want to talk to you guys about. Align shorts. These are my favorite shorts ever. Let me tell you, I have them in so many colors, and I actually just did a huge Lululemon order, like over $500. I'm gonna film for you guys and show you what I got. They're stretchy. They're just like the pants where they have that like V in the back. They make your butt look A1. I'm gonna show you guys. I love them. They're amazing. They're so comfortable, so soft. Do you see how they hit right here? They're not too long. Last but not least, this is not fitness. I just forgot to show you this in the beginning of the video. But this is sleeping outfit. What do you call this? Sleepwear? This is from Target. It was like $20. It looks like it was from Victoria's Secret, and girl, it is so silky soft. These are the shorts, and the little top just buttons up, and it is so comfortable to sleep in. This is like a game changer. Like, that pretty much wraps up my February favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, so if you want to see this again next month, leave a comment below and let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me, lets me know that you guys are enjoying these videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.